Welcome children to yet another interesting session of maths. We are on lesson measurement. So we will learn new things today also. I have a question for you. Have you ever visited a doctor? I am sure that you must have visited a doctor. Now can you see this picture? Isn't it familiar? This must have happened to you also. The doctor tells you to stand on a machine and she notes down something. So have you ever thought, what is the doctor doing? सोचा है आपने? What is she doing? Yes, she is noting down the weight. Yes, whenever you go to the doctor, she tells you to stand on a machine and then she notes down your weight. Okay. Now, tell me, is your weight and your mother's weight the same? Have you ever thought your mama's weight and your weight is the same? Yes, the answer is no, it is not the same. Right? Now, the weight of two people, दो लोगों का weight, it can be the same or it can be different. Okay? Now, every person or object, they have different weights. ठीक है? Every object, if you talk about a plate, if you talk about a pencil or even a needle, it also has weight. It is the smallest thing, right? But it also has weight. So every object has weight and they are different or it can be the same. Okay? Now, have you ever seen this in the vegetable market? When you go in the vegetable market with your mother, have you ever seen this? Your mama asks the vegetable vendor to give her some potatoes. Okay, so the vegetable vendor, he starts measuring. Okay, he starts measuring the potatoes in a balance. This is called a balance. There are two plates, right? Now, can you tell me, I have a question. What is the vegetable vendor doing? She is weighing the vegetables. She is taking the weight of the vegetables. You are absolutely correct. And I have a question for you. See the picture carefully. Tell me, why is one side of the balance down and the other is up? क्यों है ऐसा? Yes, because it has more weight. The plate with the potato, it has more weight and that is why it is down, and this, the other one, it has less weight and that is why it is up. Okay. Now in other words, I can say that the plate with the potato is heavier and the other plate is lighter. So here we have two new words. What are those? Heavier, Heavier, and lighter, Lighther. Lighter. Okay. Now these two words, they are used to compare weight of two objects. कितने objects? Two objects. So we will use these words. Now what about if I am comparing more than two weights? अगर हम दो ऑब्जेक्ट से ज़्यादा वेट्स कंपेयर करेंगे, so what are the words that we will use? In that case, we will use heaviest, Heaviest, and lightest, Lightest. Heaviest and lightest. Okay. Now, these words we will use when we are comparing weight of more than two objects. Okay. Now, let us see an example. Here I have a screwdriver, a paper clip, and an hammer. So, there are how many objects in the picture? 3 objects. Now, what can I say if I compare the weight of these objects? I can say that the hammer is the heaviest and the paperclip is the lightest. So we have used the words heaviest and lightest when we compare more than two objects. Okay? Now I want you to solve this question. There are 3 animals in the picture. Can you name them? Tell me. Yes, we have an elephant, a mouse and a dog. Okay. Now the first question that I have is, the dog is dash than the mouse. This is a sentence, and in the sentence can you tell me how many animals we are talking about? कितने animals की बात कर रहे हैं हम? Yes, we are talking about 2 animals, that is the dog and the mouse. So when we are comparing 2 animals, 2 objects, so we will use the word heavier or lighter. Okay. Now, who is heavier, the dog or the mouse? Yes, the dog is heavier. So we are talking about the dog. So I am going to write the dog is heavier than the mouse. Now moving on to the next question. The dog is dash than the elephant. Again in this sentence we have 2 animals. कितने animals? 2 animals. Dog and elephant. Now because the dog has come first, dog की बात कर रहे हैं, so we will see what is the dog, heavier or lighter compared to the elephant. Yes, lighter. So we will use the word lighter. Very good. Now the last one, the elephant is the dash. Now here in this sentence we have only one animal, and that is the elephant. So what is the word that I will use? Heavier, lighter, heaviest or lightest? We are comparing the elephant with all the animals. So there are more than 2 animals. More than 2 animals we are talking about. So we will use the word heaviest. Yes, very good. So we have used heaviest. So the elephant is the heaviest in this picture. Now I have some more questions for you. I will show you the questions. You will write the answer and then we will discuss it on WhatsApp. Again we have the 3 animals. The first question is, the elephant is dash than the dog. Bachcho, pay attention to the question. How many animals we are talking about? First, which animal is coming? Okay. The second is, the mouse is dash than the elephant. And the last question is, the mouse is the dash. So you will write the answers quickly. Till then, children, take good care of yourselves. Bye bye. See you again.